Hello everyone, I am Hani Jalali from Amity University, Haryana, and I'm going to tell you how to build up your site using WordPress.com. So I've done these 4 stages for you. First in the process is the registration process, where you can type in your WordPress login. If you have already an account, so you directly type your email address and password and login, or else you can register yourself and do the formalities. Uh, in the process, you will get an option to create your site, in which you can tap Get Started. You can choose a theme depending upon the intent of your site. This will actually set up a default page, but before you edit your pages, you should go to your email address and confirm the mail given by the WordPress site. So once you log in into your site, you can get a default of your site. This is the page. This is the tab of statistics, which is open at the moment. This is a reader, which clearly by name suggests whatever blogs and posts you've been following. It shows you all that. So we have to work on our own site. So let us preview what has been there by choosing the respective theme which we chose, and there was a default page. So this is the default page which I've been working on, which has this menu of about, contact, home, and an option of the blogs. And so there is a home, about, and contact. Then at the bottom most part of the page, I've added a widget also. So I'll explain you one by one what these are and how to edit them. So you can, as you can see that in your themes there is a customize option, from where you can check on your site identity, where you can work on the site logo, and you can select any logo which you want and insert it, or if you want you can upload files from your desktop or internet, or choose from the library itself. You can select it and the same logo will be chosen. So these are from here you can type your site title, you can add a tagline, okay, and again for the site icon you can select an image again from here or choose it. The icon will be like a small logo kind of a image, but which is not logo. Logo is different from a site icon. So there is a footer credit is the WordPress.com, that you can cross check by rolling down to your site. So this is the footer credit WordPress.com, which you have from here. If you keep changing these, so you will get a different footer credit here. So this is one part of your site identity. You can go back and you can see the colors and the backgrounds. So in this, depending upon the kind of theme chosen, the effect will be different. For example, I'm changing colors here. You can see how it is changing and you can pick your own color. Apart from this, there are fonts you can work on. So there are as many as these fonts, so you can choose any. Then you can work on the header image, which is the main image which is very sticky on your website. So you can change these header image from here, and okay, So this is about the basic customization of your site. So whenever you do this basic customization, so you must always do a save and a publish. And thereafter you can do the site preview. So I did change the color, so the color has changed, rest is same, as I did not save and publish rest of the commands. Now let us see the next stage, which is adding content to your site. So to add content means adding site pages and adding blogs. So let us go to this. So you have site pages. From here these are the different ways in which you can manage the your site pages and your blogs. So if we go to the about page to edit what a site page has, so I have written something about myself here. This is HTML. I can start typing anything here, and then I can go to the visuals, and probably if I want I can add media from here. Again, if I want to add any image, okay, there are other options like adding videos and audios, but for these you will have to upgrade your plan. We are in the free version. Then if you want, you can also upload from your own computer. Apart from this, you can once you're done with this, definitely you will update. Since my text was already there, so there was an option of update. If this was one new option for me, then I would have just done save and publish. So this is one way of looking at it. So then again there is home and contact. Anything you want to edit, you can edit from here. So then there is blog post. So over here also you have an edit option, and you can start editing the blog and write anything about the blog. Same, you have an HTML format, you can type here. For the visuals, which is to add video or to add an image, you can do it from here. One very simple way to add a video is to go to a YouTube site and choose the video which you want and copy the link or the URL link of that video and paste it over here. The video will appear on your site. Then the other aspect to this is managing the site, which is whether you are in the site page or you are in the blog page, you can go to the page settings and modify. So this is so right now we are in blogs, so we can see the status. So this is the published one and this is public. This is public means in the settings it is not private, it is public. So then the other thing in the blog could be categorization. Right now it is uncategorized. If I have many other blogs, then there could be categorization in blogs. Categorization is only in the blogs and not in the site. So then you can add tags to your blogs. Okay. So in the similar fashion, we can go to the pages also. And the pages in the about, you can see the page settings. So in the page settings, you have the status, you have images, page attributes, you can share your page, and there are many other. So this is the status, this is the published page. So again, the other aspect to it is doing advanced customization, which is about adding new menu and adding widgets to your site.